Good morning, students. How are you all? I welcome you in EVS online class. So, in last video, we have completed our chapter number 12, our houses, right? So, today we are going to do the book exercise of this lesson. So, we will start with the A part. First one is tick the correct option. Okay, take the correct option. So first one is, which W should touch the tree line? Which of these are made of bricks and सीमेंट? इनमें से कौन से घर ब्रिक और सीमेंट से बने हैं? सो ऑप्शंस आर ए टेम्परेरी हाउसेस, बी परमानेंट हाउसेस, C caravan, and D kacha houses. So what do you think, what should be the answer? So answer is permanent. Answer B permanent houses. Okay. Second one, houseboats are commonly found in, where houseboats are commonly found? A options are A Kashmir, option B Kerala, option C Rajasthan, or option D both A and B. So what do you think, what should be the answer? Answer is D both A and B. A is your Kashmir and B is your Kerala. So answer is your D both A and B. Okay. Now comes third one. A good house should be, a good house should be, options are A clean, it should be clean, or it should be dirty, option C it should be untidy, and option D all of these. So what do you think, what is the answer? So answer is A clean. Okay. So which of these are made of bricks and cement? Answer is permanent house. Houseboats are commonly found in where? Kashmir, Kerala, Rajasthan, or both A and B. Answer is both A and B, means Kashmir and Kerala. And a good house should be what? Clean, tidy, untidy, or all of these. So answer is clean. So this your A part is complete. Now we will do B part. And B part is your fill in the blanks. Okay. Now B part, fill in the blanks using the head box. Okay, they have given you one box and that options are there. Using that all options you have to fill in the blanks. Okay, so your box, first one is canvas, second one is caravan, third one is tilt, S is capital over here, fourth one is permanent, it is also capital, last one igloos, I is also capital. So using these 5 options you have to fill in the blanks. Okay, first one, dash, houses are also called pakka houses. So which houses are also called pakka houses? So what do you think, what should be the answer? It is permanent. So PERMANENT, permanent houses are also called pakka houses. Second one, a tent house. A tent house is made of what? It's made of dash. So it is made of canvas. CANVAS. Okay. Now comes third one. Dash houses are high above the ground. So which houses are above the ground? They are made on a pole, that is your stilt house, and S is capital over here. Stilt house. Okay. Fourth one, a dash is a house on wheels. Which house are on wheels? That is your caravan. CARAVAN. Now the fifth one, dash are made of snow. So answer is igloos. Okay. So once again we will repeat it. Dash houses are also called pakka houses. So answer is permanent house. A tent house is made of dash. Answer is canvas. Dash houses are high above the ground. That is stilt houses. A dash is a house on wheels. Caravan. Dash are made of snow. Answer is igloo. So your second B part is also complete. And now we will do the C part, that is your right and wrong, that is true and false. So let's complete that. C, W should touch the 3 line beta. Right. T for true and F for false. Okay. Statements. So first one is temporary houses are mostly found in towns and cities. So what do you think? What is the answer? Is permanent house or kacha house? The answer is it's false because its permanent houses are found in permanent houses are found in towns and cities. So answer is yes, false. So answer is false. Okay. Second one, a caravan is a house on wheels. Caravan is a house on wheels. Is correct or false? Yes, it is true. Okay. Now comes third one. A houseboat is made of snow. Is houseboat is made of snow? No, houseboat is made of wood. And what is made of snow? Igloos, right? So answer is false. So answer is false. Okay. Now comes last one, fourth. A good house should have proper drainage system, means sewerage system. So answer is true or false? Yes, it is true. So once again we will repeat. Temporary houses are mostly found in towns and cities. The option is false. A caravan is a house on wheels. Answer is true. A houseboat is made of snow. So answer is false. Fourth, a good house should have proper drainage system. So answer is true. So this your C part is also complete. And now what you have to do? You have to complete this work in your notebook in good handwriting. It is not A also have 3 parts, B have 5 parts and C has 4 parts. So you have to complete this all work in your notebook. Click the pic and send it to me so that I can check it. So that's all for the day. Thank you. Take care and bye bye.